Hello guys, let's do a review, a recap on AudJpy trade that you could have caught some nice RR. So from the higher time frame, this is the 30 minutes time frame. We can clearly see we are on a bearish order flow, right? Market is melting down swiftly. Okay, so already we have already agreed on one thing. We are on a bearish trend, right? So let me remove this. So from here, what I did is I went back. From here, I moved backwards, and I was looking at the I was looking for the immediate break of structure that price made before going down, right? So if you move upwards like this, this is the current break of structure that you'll see. We broke structure right here. We left behind a very big imbalance, fair value gaps, right? We had this what I normally call an incomplete pullback, all right? I'm currently in this trade. I've not yet hit my TP. I'll show you that when I go to the lower time frame. So we have not yet, okay, this is what we call the incomplete pullback. So price was moving down. It tried coming up. It didn't mitigate us, went down, came up, didn't mitigate, went down, then came back and mitigated us right here. So this is the 30 minutes order block, but we don't enter a trade yet. What do we wait for? Wait for a lower time frame change of character, right? So we are waiting for price to move downwards towards our to break structure in the lower time frame so that we can enter the trade. So from after we have been mitigated in the higher time frame, the 30 minutes, price has come into our order block, feeling these imbalances, feeling this, these fair value gaps, and then entering our order block. What do? We move down to the lower time frame. All right, so we go down to the lower time frame. As we can see right here, this was our 30 minutes order block. Price came and mitigated us very beautifully, right? And then now what do? We wait for a change of character from we were bullish, right? Now we are waiting for price to go down, to start showing us signs of going down, right? So price, this was a break of structure to the upside. It was a break of structure, BOS, right? To the upside, right? And then what did price do? Price changed character. Now instead of creating higher highs, so instead of price going up, it started going down, right? So this was our internal change of character. Now we changed from being bullish, now we are going down. Now we are creating lower lows and lower highs, right? So these are high, these are low, these are high, these are low, right? And then we broke this external structure, right? So price indicated a strong momentum that we are going down, we are selling, right? The upward momentum is over, now sellers are in control. Now what did we do? If you move upwards from down here, move upwards the same way we did with the higher time frame, you're going to discover we have this candle, which was the last buy candle before we started selling. This is our order block. This is a 3 minutes order block, right? Which had a fair value gap. If you remember what I showed you some few minutes ago in the higher time frame, we had an order block which had a fair value gap. Now in the lower time frame, we have this order block which has a fair value gap or an imbalance, whichever we're going to call it, right? And then we have this. You remember these ones? They're called the incomplete pullbacks. We talked about them in the higher time frame, right? So price melted all the way down here, and then it started retracing back up, right? So what is it looking to fulfill? It's looking for internal liquidity. Internal liquidity is fair value gaps or order blocks, right? External liquidity, external range liquidity, is like where we are targeting here, this external low. This is where our take profit is, and price has already taken us out. So we have already secured a 5.15 RR, right? So if you see this fair value gap, you move upwards, you will see the order block right here. That candle, that indecision candle there, right? So this is where I placed my entry, and my stops were just above this zone, but I had covered also the higher time frame zone because I was finding a very nice RR. So, and I was targeting where price has come from. We have to target logical places. We're not going to put our take profits just anywhere or our stop losses anywhere. We have to target either internal, we are going to target either internal range liquidity or external range liquidity. For instance, this one we are targeting this external low. this former low, right? And price has taken it out, and it's, you know, we are currently there. So what did price come to take up over here? Internal trade liquidity, the fair value gap, and the order block, right? Price took it and melted all the way down. Thank you guys. I'll keep making such videos. If you're enjoying them, tell me in the comment section. Tell me how you could have approached this trade better than I did, or another approach with it. Yeah, that will be awesome. See you guys in the next video. Adios. Take care of yourself, man.